Okay, just pulling up the codes now for the Powerstroke. Ignition key circuit failure. 1900 is U fault. Camshaft position sensor A circuit range performance. I wonder if that's now. Glow plug circuit. Glow plug circuit. And ICP too low. Okay, so either we have a camshaft sensor. I would still think it'd start on crank, but we'll find out. So we need fecum sync, make sure that that's on, and also check ICP sensor. So we'll go to data logger. And let me get this set up real quick so it doesn't take too long. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and get this set up while recording. So let me see. We're going to clear everything. Oh, come on. I'll have to do it with the mouse. I need to calibrate the screen. Okay, so first let's go with fecum sync mode. Let's go with fecum volta main power. And then we want exhaust back pressure ECT. I don't care about the temps right now because I'm not going to test drive it. Just trying to diagnose a no start. So we want ICP pressure and we want IPR percent. And let me just make sure there's nothing else that I want for right now. Exhaust back pressures, no. EGRs, no. Temperatures, no. Fan, we don't care about. Fuel pump, nah. I can hear the fuel pump coming on. So I'll just go with these for right now, and we'll do a crank. So click it. Let me see if I can somehow hold this. I'm trying to watch the glare. The glare is real bad right now. So let me do a cycle of the key. Okay, here we go. 84% fecum sync, no. So it looks like we have two problems. Batteries are getting weak. So our IPR went to 84%, which is bad. It means high pressure oil leak. And our fecum sync, although we need to check that cam sensor because it didn't, it never changed up here. Please retry. Let's retry. So that is really weird that, oh, okay, it did go back down. So IPR is hitting 84%. 84% is 100% open. Well, I shouldn't say it that way. 84% is max open. And we don't want to see that.